Tire repair rubber nail. Easy to install. With this tire repair nail, you can repair your tire by yourself. Do not find the auto repair shop, economical and time-saving. Made of top-quality rubber, features high temperature resistance, high hardness and high wear resistance, long service life. One repair is enough, no need for 2 repairs. Professional puncture repair nail, can be used on car, motorcycle, truck, bus and agricultural tires. The inside diameter less than 5 mm, no damage to tires, no air leakage. Simply insert the nail into the tire wound to complete simple and efficient tire repair work. It adheres firmly to the tire, high connection strength, good sealing performance prevents water from entering the wound, so the steel belt will not rust or delamination.